Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. Here is what we are covering. Robin Denholm, chairwoman of Tesla's board, has sold $33 million in Tesla stock, following a previous $43 million sale last month. Denholm's actions come amidst concerns over CEO Elon Musk's influence on the company, despite owning only 13% of its shares. Critics argue that Musk's dominance and controversial decisions are impacting Tesla's brand, while the board's silence raises questions. Denholm, benefiting from stock options under what some call excessive board compensation, continues liquidating her shares. Recent sales by insiders, including Musk's brother and Tesla's CFO, precede a dip in the company's stock value. Meanwhile, in the tech world, Meta has embarked on testing an innovative AI tool called Business AI, which allows users to engage directly with businesses via AI agents on platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. The technology facilitates interactions where users can inquire about product details, get recommendations, and receive promotional offers through both text and voice communications. This initiative primarily aims to provide smaller businesses access to AI capabilities without the hefty investment typically required. Clara Shi, Meta's VP of Business AI, highlighted the significance of this tool in democratizing AI access for businesses. Speaking of AI innovations, Google has released SpeciesNet, an open-source AI model designed to streamline wildlife identification by analyzing images from camera traps. These tools are vital for researchers studying animal populations, but often generate overwhelming amounts of data. Launched as part of Google's Wildlife Insights, the initiative empowers researchers to share and analyze images online more efficiently. SpeciesNet's training involved over 65 million images from notable organizations such as the Smithsonian and the Wildlife Conservation Society. The AI can classify images into more than 2,000 categories and is available on GitHub under an Apache 2.0 license for commercial use. On the broader AI front, Ben Buchanan, former special advisor for artificial intelligence in the Biden administration, discussed the rapid approach of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and the U.S. government's preparedness for this transformative technology. Buchanan highlighted concerns about AGI's potential impact on labor markets, national security, and global technological leadership, particularly in competition with China. He emphasized the need for strategic foresight and adaptation in policymaking to address these challenges. Buchanan's insights come as the new administration, marked by the inclusion of tech influencers, redirects the focus towards harnessing AI's opportunities while navigating potential safety and ethical concerns. Shifting to corporate AI strategies, Amazon has launched a new group within AWS to focus on developing AI agents, as reported by Reuters. AWS CEO Matt Garman highlighted the potential of agentic AI to become a significant revenue stream for the company. Swami Sivasubramanian, a seasoned AWS executive, will lead the initiative. Amazon's Alexa Plus demonstrated agentic capabilities, including booking Ubers and navigating websites. The move positions Amazon to compete with firms like Salesforce and Microsoft in creating enterprise-level AI solutions for task automation. And finally, in the smart home space, Samsung Electronics SmartThings is revolutionizing the industry with AI-driven innovations, according to Mark Benson, head of SmartThings. Addressing long-standing issues of fragmented ecosystems and complicated user experiences, Samsung prioritizes seamless device interoperability and AI-powered automation. This transformation allows smart homes to enhance daily life, providing intuitive, frictionless interactions without complex setups.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's Nytro marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.